Smooth Vibes. On today's show, I'm gonna be cooking some spaghetti. If you don't know, well, I'm gonna let you know right now. I don't eat red meat. I've been on that diet since before Thanksgiving, the week before Thanksgiving. And I did that because red meats, I was eating them way too much. And I don't, I mean, I wanted to tone up too. So I need to lose a little fatness. Had a little stomach growing. I ain't like it. So in order to get better, it was a diet I thought that I should try. And it's working actually. Been losing a lot of weight and I'm toning up my stomach now. So it's definitely positive there. So with me not eating red meat, the spaghetti is gonna have ground turkey and turkey Polish sausage. So these are some of the ingredients that will be used in this video today. These is all my spices that are definitely gonna get used in one way or another in this video. And here go the sauce. So while this grounded turkey cooks, I'm gonna start prepping this green pepper and onion. Gotta have the green pepper and onion in the spaghetti. It ain't spaghetti without either one of those. I like to mix it up with my grounded turkey, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Like to cut the seeds out the green pepper because they have no use. Don't know if they have a taste, but I know I'm not gonna try to eat them. So I always cut them out of the green pepper. Then after I cut through both of these halves of this green pepper, I clean the inside of it. I already cleaned the outside of this. Just gotta make sure everything fresh. I always cut from the sides. Give it a little nice shape. I love me the smell of some green peppers, especially when it's in some food. Just give the food that nice flavor, that added flavor that you need. And then I start chopping it, all these little pieces. Cut them into much smaller pieces. This other half probably is gonna go in the other frying pan with the Italian, well, not the Italian, but the smoked turkey sausage. Probably do the same thing with the onion, depends. But the onion also always have more pieces than the green pepper do, so I probably don't need that whole onion. But I'm definitely gonna use this whole green pepper. As y'all can see now, I already mixed up this green pepper and onion into the grounded turkey. Just gotta keep breaking the grounded turkey down some more. It always look like it ain't enough, but once you mix it up with spaghetti, it's always more than enough. About to cut these sausages up and then put them in the pan. Now I'm about to season all this. We'll season the grounded turkey. The sausage doesn't need to be seasoned at all. Got the onion powder. Then I got the crushed red pepper. I like to have my food with a little zing to it, you know. Got the paprika. Got the garlic powder. Actually run out of it. But there's actually more. Black pepper. Little Old Bay. I like using Old Bay more than seasoned salt. Seasoned salt don't do enough for me sometimes, you know. A little cayenne. Cayenne pepper is actually good healthy wise. It clears out a lot of the bacteria and infections that you might occur in your life. A little oregano. Sausage coming along pretty good. This is how the grounded turkey is looking now. Just gotta stir it up real good. And it'll pretty much be good. This get repetitive, so I'm not about to sit here and make y'all watch all of this stirring I'm about to do. As you can see now, I done mixed the sausage up with the ground turkey. I'm about to start putting the noodles in the pot. They take a long time, honestly. I hate waiting for some spaghetti noodles, but I gotta deal with it. And eventually I'm gonna mix this sauce up with this turkey and sausage. Then pretty much be done. I like for my sauce to be sweet, so I'm about to put some grounded cinnamon and some sugar in it. It ain't spaghetti without sugar. The sauce got to be sweet. No ifs, ands about it. Sweet. Waiting centuries for these noodles to cook. I'll be glad when they prepare it.
3 hours later.
Spaghetti all nice and ready. Oh yeah, I did my job. Not to my own home, but I know this is about to be a rocket. This concludes my video today. Hope y'all enjoyed the cooking. I'm about to crash. Be out.